Hello guys, Sarthak here, back again with another video. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos related to travel, art, food and maritime education. And in this video I am going to show you the complete detailed review of the Camlin Brush Pens, which has been around a couple of months in the market. So again guys, this video is not sponsored by Camlin at all. I bought these colors with my own money, and this is my personal review and my personal verdict on how I find these colors to be. Yep guys, so some of the colors which I love and some of the colors which I hate, especially the orange and the yellow. The brush pen does not do justice to the orange and yellow colors guys, but rest of all, especially the sap green, the blue and the red shades of it is completely outstanding. And in middle of the video I have painted a house for you guys, so that you be the judge on how the drawing has been turned out. So yep guys, with that being said, let us start this review. Over here, as you can see, I tried using water to get that nice watercolor effect, and in this second sample I tried using both the colors and then mixing onto the paper. But as you can see, the results are not up to the mark at all. I mean, you could clearly see the interface right between the color and the water, so just unhappy with the result. But it is completely fine for the brushwork. As it contains a thick and a thin line, and also if some of you are good in calligraphy, so you can definitely do calligraphy with this. I am very bad at it, so I just showed you a demo of it. And it is completely fine for if you are using it for the brushwork. Like in this example, I painted these coconut leaves. Guys, links to my social media account, Instagram, Facebook, will be in the description box down below. So definitely follow me for all the art related travel updates. And guys, I really post some nice and behind the scenes photos, right? So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Share and subscribe. And guys, also let me know in the comments down below whether you would like to see me review more of such art supplies. And yep guys, that was it from my side. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. This is me signing off.